Imagine carrying a wallet where your money never gets stolen, never gets lost, and can even be transferred without the internet. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, this is exactly what India's Digital Rupee, our central bank digital currency, is aiming to do. I'm making this video because in the next few years, this new form of money could affect every one of us. Whether you're paying for groceries, receiving subsidies, or even saving for the future. Knowing about it today gives you an edge tomorrow. In this video, we'll explore what exactly is the Digital Rupee, how is it different from UPI and wallets, can it really work offline, and many more. So let's get started. The Digital Rupee is India's very own central bank digital currency issued directly by the RBI. It's not a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, it's official, government-backed money. Think of it as the same 100 rupee note in your pocket, but now it exists in digital form. You'll store it in a secure RBI-backed digital wallet on your phone and use it for transactions anywhere. The key point is it's legal tender, meaning if you owe someone money, they're required to accept it, just like cash. But here's the big question. If we already have UPI, Paytm and PhonePe, then why do we even need the Digital Rupee? UPI is like a messenger. It just sends instructions between your bank accounts, debit this account and credit that account. Similarly, wallets like Paytm hold money that is already in your bank. But the Digital Rupee is direct money from the RBI itself. You're not depending on any bank to settle the transaction. This makes it faster, reduces system risk, and ensures that even if a bank fails, your money in Digital Rupee is still safe because it's backed by the central bank, not private banks. But wait, what happens if there's no internet? Can you still use this futuristic money? This is where it gets exciting. RBI has been testing offline capability using Bluetooth and NFC. Imagine you're in a remote village or you're at a crowded event with no mobile data. You could still send Digital Rupee by tapping your phone, similar to giving cash hand to hand. This feature is crucial because not every corner of India has stable internet. By enabling offline transactions, RBI is making sure the Digital Rupee is inclusive, not just for cities but also rural areas. But if every transaction is digital, whether online or offline, what about our privacy? Can the government watch everything we spend? Now let me ask you, if you had the choice, would you trust bank money in a wallet or central bank money like the Digital Rupee? Comment below. Privacy is a major concern. With UPI, banks can see your transactions. With Digital Rupee, since RBI issues the money, there's a worry that every payment could be tracked. RBI's approach is this. Small transactions like buying tea or groceries will have cash-like privacy, meaning they won't be traced. Large transactions may be traceable, so authorities can prevent fraud, tax evasion, and illegal activities. This balance is designed to give everyday users comfort while still protecting the system from misuse. But apart from privacy, what's the biggest benefit of having the Digital Rupee in your wallet? The answer lies in subsidies and welfare schemes. Today, subsidies often pass through multiple channels: banks, agencies, and accounts. This can cause delays, leakage, and sometimes corruption. With the Digital Rupee, the government can send money directly into your wallet. Imagine receiving your LPG subsidy or student scholarship instantly, without middlemen. This reduces costs ensures transparency, and makes sure that every rupee reaches the intended person. For ordinary citizens, this means faster benefits, fewer errors, and greater trust in government schemes. But if it's so powerful, how close are we to actually using it? Let's look at India's current position. The Digital Rupee was launched as a pilot in 2022. Right now, it's being tested in selected banks and cities with limited users. RBI is slowly expanding it to more areas to study how people use it, what challenges arise, and how secure it is. In the next few years, it's very likely that the Digital Rupee wallet will become as common as UPI, especially as India is already leading the world in digital payments. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the Digital Rupee will replace cash and UPI? Or will it simply be another option in our financial toolkit? Comment below. I read every comment and it truly motivates me to create more videos for you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into finance, economics, and technology.